In today's video, I'm going to show you Shopify Order Printer app, print order, invoices, and packing slips for free. If you run a Shopify store, keeping your fulfillment process professional and organized is key. One simple way to do this is by printing invoices and packing slips for your orders. The good news, Shopify makes this easy with their Order Printer app, and the best part is it's completely free. Let's walk through how to set it up and use it. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Now at the top, select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Order Printer and look for the app developed by Shopify. Go ahead and click Add App, then Install. Once installed, you'll find the app in your apps list. Open it, and you'll see options to print invoices, packing slips, receipts, and even custom templates for your orders. To print an invoice or packing slip, go to your orders page inside Shopify here. Select the order you want, then click More Actions at the top. From the drop-down, you'll see Print with Order Printer. Clicking this will generate a print-friendly invoice or packing slip. By default, Shopify provides clean and professional templates, but if you want to personalize them, the Order Printer app allows you to edit the templates with liquid code. This means you can add your logo, company details, or even custom messages for your customers. It's a great way to reinforce your brand while still keeping things functional. You can print documents directly from your browser, save them as PDFs for record keeping, or include them in your order packages. Since the app is free, it's one of the easiest ways to handle professional documents without spending extra on third-party solutions. With just a few clicks, you'll make your fulfillment process smoother, your branding stronger, and your customers happier. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.